Another very important metric for calculating the central tendency is the median. Calculating the median is very simple, like calculating the other formulas. You start with the equal to, specify the formula, and in brackets specify the range. So here again we want to go for our sales. So we select sales, close the bracket and hit enter. Now interpreting the median and how it relates to the mean, that is very crucial for our analysis. So let's calculate the difference between median and mean. So we can simply subtract from median the mean. And we are noticing that our difference is only 140 euros. So imagine for a chain of stores like Rossmann, where you have hundreds and thousands of stores and hundreds and thousands of daily sales happening. A difference of 140 euros is not that much. This shows that our distribution of data is pretty normal. So almost all the stores are performing equal on all the days and so on and so forth. And this is why our average is coming out to be similar to median. In situations where the data is skewed, in that case, the median and mean do not come out to be equal or approximately equal, and that's the scenario where you have to dig deeper.